Hello. Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. War has been declared this morning on my bindweed. That is only about, what, 2.5 foot by about 5 foot and a bit at the top. And it's taken me over an hour to dig that over and get bindweed out of it. The war is a war on bindweed this year. So I've done that. I'm totally shattered. I'll now show you a photograph of all the bindweed I got out of that one area. I'm surprised there's any soil left because I've got a big bucket of bindweed. That's all the bindweed I got out of the patch of ground. And I also found a few little potatoes that I missed. So what I think I'm going to do is see if I can chip them and then plant them again. But as you can tell by I'm out of breath now, I'm going to go in and edit this video to take a rest. And then I'll think I might come back out and sow some seeds. We'll see how I feel by then. That's today's. I'll see how much I'm hurting tomorrow as to whether I move on and do the next patch. Although that looks like some garlic coming through. I'll dig one up and have a look at it when I do come to do that patch. I'll move on. I've also pruned my apple tree a bit so I can walk past, but it's still a bit of a junk pile. Because as I've told you before, I grew next to nothing last year, so I did next to nothing outside. And so there's a lot that needs sorting, tidying, but slowly does it. Hopefully that's what I started last year and then I gave up. Hopefully this time I won't give up because I have declared war on the bindweed. Thank you. Bye.
It's a perfect situation.